Can't even fit it all in one picture. Okay, check this out. I got this Monstera Thai variegated plant, and its roots were all packed in with this really wet dirt, so I repotted it in some chunky mixes and made sure its like stalk thing was out of the ground, because this is a cutting. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 leaves. It took me about 2 hours to get all that wet dirt compacted out of its roots and get all the dead off. And I only broke one leaf. I broke that one. But it's super huge. This is on the corner of my pond, and I did give them some cool stakes to grow up. I had a couple of those double-eyed cookies from, I guess it was a walnut tree, I think. Yeah, super happy. And here it is on the other side of the pond. So I'm hoping that the ceiling light does it some good, because those are two really bright daylight bulbs. And it's got all this light over here. I'm sure it'll be happy. See how it drains. Yeah, right by the stairs.